train.
Has no heart. Those words from the mother of one of Jacksonville's latest murder victims.
Brandon Green was killed the night of September 8th at Mascaras Gentlemen's Club, and still no one has been arrested. Channel 4's Chris Parento spoke to Green's parents about the loss of their son.
Green's parents say it's been a difficult month dealing with the loss of their son. They say what makes it worse is knowing that hundreds of people were inside the club when the shooting happened, but police haven't made an arrest.
The guy that killed my son, he have no heart. And he's out there somewhere, just getting away with a crime, and probably would do it again.
Harriet McNeil says her son was just like any other 21-year-old. He was hardworking and enjoyed spending time with his friends on the weekends. She also says he loved his 1-year-old daughter, who will now never know her father.
Why my son? What did he do to you? Just for you to come up to him and shoot him in the head in front of hundreds of people. You don't have a heart.
She'll never see this man as a daddy, you know what I mean? She ain't gonna have enough thoughts about it. You know what I mean? That's not right.
The family says with so many people in the club at the time of the shooting, someone has to have seen something.
If it was your kid that this guy killed, wouldn't you want somebody to come up and say something? Don't sit around and act like, oh, it's cool. It's not cool. That don't make you cool.
And they say it's time for senseless killings like this to end.
How did this guy get in there with the gun? If the guy would have never got in there with the gun, my son would still be alive today.
The family's attorney, John Phillips, has offered a $1,000 reward for any tips leading to an arrest and conviction in this case. That's in addition to any Crime Stoppers reward that someone may be eligible for. Chris Parento, Channel 4, the local station.
Now, as Chris said, if you know anything that can help find Brandon Green's killer, you're asked to call Crime Stoppers. This is the number right there, 866-845-TIPS. And remember, you may be eligible for a cash reward.